It is extremely important to change out your HVAC filter at least once every quarter. Forgetting to do so could not only lead to a higher utility bill every month, but also even potential repair or even replacement cost of the HVAC unit itself. Now, this might seem like a daunting task if you've never replaced a filter before, but it really is simple, and not regularly changing your filter out is the number one reason why HVAC units need to be repaired or replaced. Your HVAC unit might be in an attic, or your basement, or utility closet, and it's probably not going to look like mine, but the concept for changing a filter out is going to be the same. After you figure out what type of filter you need based off the make and model of your HVAC system, remove the cover to the filter on the unit and take out the old filter. When inserting the new filter, it's extremely important to make sure the arrow of the filter is pointing in the direction that the air is flowing on your HVAC system. Now, your system might have grooves for the filter to connect to, or it could slide into the tray directly. But after you insert the filter, be sure to put the cover back on the HVAC unit, and boom, you're done.